Welcome to a super fast unboxing. Let's just get down to business. See what we got here. It is a high quality telescope for your mobile phones. So let's see how this works. There's a bunch of bits and pieces in here. The tripod bit. Cool. I hope that's not broken. It was kind of like that already. And let's see what's inside here. This telescope itself. Looks like it came in. Has something to clean it with. I guess this is how you open it up. And this is where it goes onto the camera. Interesting. Has the instructions. See if there's any QR codes we need to worry about. But just a bunch of Chinese and English literature. So yeah, there we go. That's all there is to it. The telescope field of vision is infinite and wonderful. Can't really tell what brand it is from the box, but there we go. The Monocular Usage Manual. Hope this was an interesting video, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, broken parts.